Hey, hey, everybody. I hope you're having a good day. Hey, everyone. Today I'm starting a new segment called What's in My Fridge? From the produce to the fruit cups, the yogurt and the milk, the eggs and the cheese. Here is everything in my fridge. 1 Dole pineapple fruit cup. 7 Del Monte cherry mixed fruit. 2 Mott's no sugar added applesauce, cinnamon flavor. 6 Mott's no sugar added applesauce, strawberry flavor. Smucker's apricot preserves, 18-ounce jar. 2 Felix lingonberries, a delicacy from Sweden, 10-ounce jar. Non-GMO project verified. These are really good. Try them, because I enjoyed them. Not again. Excuse me. Once again. Lightly sweetened, crunchy peanut butter. No stir. Organic. Non-GMO project verified. 16-ounce jar. Best Foods. Real mayonnaise. In a 100% recycled bottle. 20 fluid ounce bottle. Good and Gather. Queso Blanco. Made with creamy sauce blend, red bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, and green chili peppers. Mild heat. In a 15-ounce jar. Not a sponsor. Tostitos. Chunky salsa. Medium. I can't stand the hot, but medium's okay. In a 15.5 ounce jar. Signature Select. Quality guaranteed. Lemon juice. 100% from concentrate with added ingredients. 15 fluid ounce bottle. With a damaged lid. Naked. Blue Machine. Blend of 5 juices partially from concentrate with added ingredients of natural flavors. Pack of vitamin C, E, B6, and B12. No sugar added. 170 calories per 8 ounce, fluid ounce serving. 46 fluid ounce bottle. Non-GMO project verified. Horizon Organic. DHA Omega 3 supports brain health. Vitamin D, organic milk. With 32 milligrams DHA Omega 3 per serving. Ultra pasteurized. In a half-gallon carton. Cheese. 4 Chobani Vanilla Greek Yogurt Mixed Berry. On the bottom. Hero Batch. Lucerne Dairy Farms. Unsalted sweet cream butter. Grade AA. Natural flavors added, made from milk from cows not treated with RBST. No significant difference has been shown between milk derived from RBST treated and non-RBST treated cows. Can you believe it? 4 quarters. First quality. 16-ounce box. Judy's Family Farm. Old-fashioned organic. Raised cage-free. Large grade AA. Brown eggs. Half a dozen. Certified humane. Trader Joe's. Julienne sliced sun-dried tomatoes in olive oil. 8.5 ounce jar. Trader Joe's. Campari tomatoes. 16-ounce carton. Good and Gather petite baby carrots in a Rubbermaid container. Half of a yellow onion in plastic wrap. Trader Joe's green onions, 6-ounce bag. Trader Joe's parsley, 2 ounces in a bag. 6-ounce pack of Driscoll's, only the finest berries, organic raspberries. That is everything. If you enjoyed seeing what was in my fridge, then please give this video a like. And let me know down below what's in your fridge, because I want to know. Yes, just don't let me know if there's any dead bodies in there or anything that's illegal, because I do not want to know that. So please, again, give this video a like if you enjoyed it, dislike if you didn't, and subscribe if you haven't already, because there's going to be more exciting content just like this and even more strange in the future. So please stay tuned, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.